Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name's Clara Z and I do videos on luxury handbags and fashion items. So as you all know, it is the month of June and I wanted to share with you a couple of things that I picked up for this month because June is my birthday and I wanted to share a few things that I picked up and also received as a surprise for my birthday. So let's get started. So the first thing I received came in the mail today. I was so shocked. This was a surprise gift from Kat L. She is the funniest and one of my favorite YouTubers on YouTube, so you definitely need to check out her channel and I will put links down to her channel below. So it came as a total surprise and it came in this beautiful yellow box, bright and happy. And what did she get me? Well, I've already opened it already. However, she got me the Baccarat Rouge 540 Eau de Perfume travel set and it came in this box. And then once we take away the packaging, it comes in this further box. And if we open that up, so the travel set includes these 5 bottles of the Baccarat Rouge 540 along with this beautiful travel case. You can see it's made out of gold and honestly it feels and looks like jewelry. It's got this magnet. Can you hear that? It's so pretty and you can see that it has all the different shapes on the bottle, and what you do is you take one of these perfumes and you slip that in here like this, and basically you put that on top, and when you need to use that you just open that up and spritz. So I'm telling you, this scent, oh my goodness, it's so good. And she was the one who got me into this scent. So I initially picked up the smaller bottle because I just wasn't sure if I would be able to enjoy this perfume over the long term. And just as I was about to consider buying the bigger bottle, I received this beautiful travel set. So if any of you see me for the rest of this year and you pass by, you are definitely going to be smelling this scent. I love this scent. A lot of scents generally my husband doesn't like. He doesn't even like lavender or mint or anything like that, so I can hardly wear any perfumes. But you know what? I couldn't believe it. He actually liked this Baccarat scent. So yeah, kudos to this scent. I love it. It has a beautiful, complex and nice smell. So if you haven't smelled this before, I highly recommend that you try it out. Don't overdo it. You might pass out. Just do 1-2 sprays tops and then just walk away from the counter for half an hour and see how you feel about this scent. But this is definitely my all-time favorite scent and I was so ecstatic to receive this scent from Kat. I'm going to be wearing this scent probably for the rest of this year all the time. It's going to be on my purse, it's going to be on my dresser. I just love the scent so much. Thank you so much, Kat, and it was such a beautiful surprise. And because this is a travel scent, if any of you happen to run into me while I'm traveling and you see me, you don't have to ask me. It's definitely gonna be the Baccarat Rouge 540. A couple of other things that I picked up this month include a couple of makeup items, including a new Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, which I am wearing right now. I'm sorry if it doesn't show up very properly or it doesn't look very good. I'm not very good at makeup, and to be honest, I've been out all day in 38 degrees heat, so actually if it does not look too great, I apologize for that. However, this is what the palette looks like. It is a beautiful quad palette with a bunch of nice neutrals. So I'm gonna swatch this on my wrist just so that you can see what they look like. So here is the swatch of the 4 colors with the base color here, the darker shade, and 2 glitters. So I believe these are very wearable and quite neutral, and as usual, Pat McGrath, generally the colors come out quite nicely, and hence I was really happy to add this to my collection. So as Chantecaille is my my favorite makeup brand. Of course, I did take advantage of some summer sales to pick up a couple of items that I'm running low on, which includes the limited edition blurring powder and also the Chantecaille lip potion, which is kind of like a lip balm, which I've been really enjoying and I've pretty much used up all of. So here is the beautiful packaging for the Chantecaille limited edition. So this is called the Flower Power Perfect Blur Finishing Powder. I did pick up one of their blurring powders last week during their annual sale, and I'm almost hit pan because I've enjoyed using it so much, and because the packaging on this one was so beautiful, I decided to pick up this year's limited edition. So you can see here it has a bunch of pretty floral flowers, and as you can see, it's a bit 3D because it's got a bunch of flowers on top of each other. It's so pretty. I love this packaging. It's so happy and colorful. And then if you open it up, it is that baked pressed blurring powder, and I really like to put this on top of their tinted moisturizer, especially on days where I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. So I will put on the tinted moisturizer and I will put this on top, and I am done in terms of coverage for the day. So another item I wanted to pick up for my birthday was a nice summer dress because it's absolutely really insanely hot right now. It's 38 degrees. The level of humidity is super hot, and during the summer I like to wear dresses, especially in light materials like linen. So I picked up a dress from an Australian company called Morton Mac, and this video is not sponsored. So it came in this little linen bag, which is a nice tote bag, and basically this is the dress. I believe this dress is called the Lottie dress. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. However, I'll try to put a couple of photos of this dress that I picked up, which is in a very light and comfortable material, which is perfect for the really hot summers here in Hong Kong. So I apologize if the dress looks like it's a bit wrinkly because I really just didn't have time to iron it out before I showed you some of the modeling shots, which I hope to wear in the next couple of days for my birthday celebrations. And then also today I went out and had some fun with a girlfriend. I went to an ink lab, and basically what they do is they allow you to mix your own colors to make your own custom ink colors, and these inks can be put into fountain pens, or you could use dip pens to write letters. And the ink color that I picked out and designed more for myself was this really light pink magenta color. I don't think you can see it very well because it's in this bottle, but basically this is a sample of what the color looks like. It is kind of a magenta slash pinkish color. And basically I can either use this glass pen to dip the ink and use for writing, or I can put it into one of my fountain pens, as you can see here. You may or may not be into this, but this is kind of like a hobby I also picked up recently in recent months. And here is what the fountain pen would look like, and you write on it with this what they call a nib. It's kind of like a pretty fancy pen, but it's pretty interesting because when you write, it's almost as if you're writing with a pencil, but it's actually a pen. And it's just something I've started to learn to appreciate. I know this is probably something like 1800s or 1900s, but I really enjoy and appreciate the art of writing and the workmanship that goes into a lot of these really beautiful pens. And finally, if you haven't already seen, I did also a birthday unboxing on my recent Hermes bag that I recently picked up from the Hermes boutique for my birthday. So if you haven't already seen that already, I highly recommend that you go and see that video to find out what I picked up for my birthday. And I will try to put the link somewhere either up here or down in the description box below. So thank you so much for joining me on my birthday haul, and I hope you found some of these items interesting. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Otherwise, I wish you a fantastic day and week, and we will see you next time. Bye bye now.